Who's squeaking like that? Like a little mouse.
Yeah, there you go. Stomp on his head.
Dude, yo, the team right here.
Gammy.
Yeah, Mom. Where'd he go?
He's right down. Yeah, it's actually way bigger than I thought.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah. There you go.
It might just
Curled over.
barely.
Let me just smell him for you.
Yeah.
You killed him.
Poor thing, I probably shot him.
Oh, he's holding on for dear life.
He's like,
Hang
I'm not
upside
going
down.
anywhere.
I ain't going down.
There he goes.
He wasn't going by. Bring her out here, man.
She's got the eye.
I think it's because she's shorter. You know, she can
Yeah.
see up in. What she see, Savannah?
Big.
Big, big?
Big.
Oh, big. Show him. Here, show him.
Right here.
Come here, Mom.
I don't think I can shoot up like that.
But you see him?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Can you shoot like that?
Cameraman is blind.
I got a green one right there too.
You see him, Anthony? Yeah.
Got a shot?
I do. We got your cover right here. Dogs are on the back.
Good. Take them if you want them.
Meme.
Oh, I see him. Gamora, don't bump him. Stop. Stop.
Get him, Meme.
That one.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa. He's a big one.
Holy mackerel.
He's still fighting in the middle.
All right, off.
Off, girls.
Caught
Face.
iguana. Meme, off, Meme, out. Out. Gammy, out.
That's the branches.
Out. One thing getting these dogs. It's one thing getting the iguana. It's another thing getting the dogs off them. We needed this. He's still very much up. Now you see in that instance right there, them dogs wasn't on him. You already know he's going for it. He's typed into the water.
Wow. There's one a little low right.
I saw one right here. but
Good catch, girl.
I saw him still
Small green one.
How many shots you got?
Big male. That's that one, and the other ones are little females.
Look at this leg. Look.
Got a little.
Look.
No wonder.
I've never seen that before. That's new.
And did another one
Look at
try
that,
to
bro.
eat it?
That's. I would say that was like maybe got snagged or.
Who knows?
He definitely got. It was. He was definitely not born like
growing.
that.
No.
Yeah.
It was growing after the injury.
That's
Let me
kind of
see
cool.
let me see how much ammo you got left. So after this, guys, we're gonna stop at the crib. I'm gonna put this one in the ice. I got a compressor. I'm gonna pull this up.
Cam, look. Cam. Come on.
Climbing back.
There you go.
Stop.
I'll bring him down. He's down.
Like I say, he's dead. Oh.
Oh, there it is. I didn't even see that one.
Me neither.
Yeah, he was still hooked on that thing.
Whoa. Oh, nice. I'll get him down. We need some food, right?
Watch head.
Oh, shoot.
Right on her head. Right on her head.
Heads up.
Good girl, man. She's like,
Nice one. Nice one.
Secatito.
she's over there sneezing. Good girl. Punch that head. Punch that head.
Wow. Hi, Gammy.
You know, man, to be where they're at.
So a little burrow under foundations. And then the
Yeah, like under
foundation will crack.
concrete and stuff.
You
Yeah.
drop like 50,
Danny, come
60
on.
eggs. No exaggeration.
Come on, good boy.
Anybody ready for a water or anything? Oh, a little low. Oh, that's a different one. Okay. I'll help you out. Yeah, go for that one that you get. I see another one up.
Oh, that ain't the one you was pointing at?
Nah, there's two of them.
Made contact.
I think you.
Oh, it's
There
there.
he goes.
Beep.
Oh, there's another one right there.
You see another one?
Yeah, it's right where you shot it.
Really?
Yeah, there's another one right on the backside of that tree.
Okay.
I think you done hit that lizard a couple of times.
Yeah, those things are tough, man.
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
He's done though.
Yeah.
I hear you hitting it.
Yeah, there you go.
Come on.
Oh, no, I like the big one right there.
That's the one he's hitting.
Yeah,
Oh,
no.
I didn't see that one. There's an even bigger one.
Yeah.
We got one in the
Get him, man.
Get that one.
We'll get him.
He's a monster.
We'll get him one way or another with
Yeah.
air rifles or with the
I was
dog.
gonna say we might need a sticky stick because he like jammed himself in that like.
Okay,
that,
I got a
that
stick.
corner, you know.
I got a stick.
That man said, come over here. He eating all my mangoes.
Oh, there's another one. There's two. Anthony, you got one.
Trying to get that one down for the dogs.
Oh, you did. Can you get him?
Yep,
Good girl. Out.
that's a big boy. Oh, come on down.
Getting him.
You got him, man.
Hey.
Oh, man.
Oh, he's coming.
There it is.
These things are tough, man.
They are.
Dude, we got a storm about to roll in.
Oh!
That's a good little gun.
Good girl, get him, Mimi. Yeah.
Big orange one, dude.
Big one. One.
Good eye.
Wow, Savannah.
Where's he at?
Right above.
Give me him.
Oh, I see him.
He's right there.
I see the dual lap.
He's right here, right under the rock, like right above me.
There's no way I gotta hit him. There you go.
Damn. Nice.
Man, this guy's a beast.
Some more.
Godzilla.
Get him now.
Some more right here.
There you go.
That one's a big one.
Hey, nice shooting, man. I didn't even see that thing. That thing was right in front of my face.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, nice one.
Big orange. Wow. So these things are coming. They're eating all the mangoes out here. Oh my gosh. Flip them. Oh.
Mimi.
Wrong thing, mango. Maybe that's a mango. There he goes. There he goes.
Great catch.
Great shot, man.
Great shot, ain't it?
Smoked him. Look at that dragon. Look at this dragon.
That's all you, bud.
You got someone who knows.
Oh, you got. Oh, Savannah.
Oh.
Got a little Kool-Aid on you. Catch it.
Good eyes.
No, seriously.
Mace. Come on now.
Miss, it's mine now. Yo, this one got mango all over his face. Look at that. Yep.
Sometimes when you
Yeah,
start
he does.
looking and then you come back, you can find
Caught him red-handed. Yeah, it's crazy. It's
Or
like
orange mouth.
we call him orange-handed. Orange. Trying to recover these iguanas.
It's not an easy task.
You see one? You see it? No. Okay. Got another one up here. It looks like. Let me see. I'm not gonna shoot it. Yeah, there's another one up there. It's like he's eating. Gimme. Oh.
Oh, they got him.
He's right up there.
No.
Not loaded. On fire.
Good catch.
that was the one I shot, but the one you dropped, like,
Okay, it's all good.
landed somewhere.
Unless you feel like going Tarzan mode, but I say let them raccoons get a little something too.
Mm.
I did see one up here.
Man,
Man. Oh,
And she chews on them until they're dead.
she will. The thing's already gone.
Well, yeah.
Mm.
Good job, man. Good job. There's that one. There's a tail right there. Oh shoot, that's a big one up there.
Right above you.
Nice. Here, take a step back, please. Right there.
Oh, I see it.
Anybody got it? Anybody want them?
I'll get him as well.
Get them.
Go ahead.
Thank you. I'm learning.
Gamora, come on now. I love you, but damn, bro.
Just over.
He's looking. There he goes.
And stop.
Oh shoot.
Get him, get him, get him.
Oh shoot.
Oh, yeah.
No way.
Get him
He's
again.
shaking it.
Oh, he
Oh,
just
he's
shakes it
shaking
off.
it. He said, you can't touch me.
No.
Oh,
Get
come
out
on.
of here.
In the butt. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Fire out, Will. Fire out, Will.
Oh, come on.
You know, these things. Yo,
Get
it
me.
cracks me up. I'm sorry.
Lord, get him.
Oh my goodness.
Eat
Yep, yep, get him.
Headshot. Eyeball shot. Oh,
Oh.
oh, I
Come on.
heard it. One more. Oh. Graham,
That's all you. That's
Come
all
on,
you.
Graham.
Yeah, get your rifle
show
out
them
there.
how
if
it's
you
done.
can. Help us out.
Get him, Mom.
He just went around.
No, get him.
I don't see
It's
him.
gonna fall.
I see his tail, and that's it.
You did see it.
It's right there on the ground.
Yeah, he's not going nowhere though, right? It's pretty chilling.
Get him, Mom.
I can't see him. All I see is his tail.
Just keep eyes on him.
Up, 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 up. He's moving.
Keep eyes on him.
I see his leg.
Oh, there you
Might be a little bit.
You see his head right there?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But there's a little branch right in the way.
Get him.
Gammy, patience, patience.
Gammy.
Come here, Mom.
Get him. His head's sticking out, but it's right between two little branches.
There you go.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. That took everybody.
Oh.
That's a monster.
Wow.
Wow. He took a lot of bullets back
That is
then.
off.
Look at that.
Ooh, talk about a damn Godzilla.
Yeah.
Sheesh. I saw something big. I didn't realize he was that big. Sheesh. Let's see if there's anything else. I did see some more movement up there.
You guys did.
Wow. make sure my gun is still on. Sit down. Oh yeah, I
Did you see the tail though?
see a tail.
He's just wrapped himself around that.
Yeah, keep eyes on it. Let me see if I can see something else. Oh yeah, you got a body shot right here.
Got a shot of it?
Yep. Nice eye. It's another big one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, dude. I think this is definitely, you know, holding a lot of big ones out here.
It is.
Hot and good.
If it was sunny, I think also you might see them better.
Yeah, you would. 100% for sure. At this time of day too, they're like harder to find.
Do they darken?
I also believe, in my personal opinion, I feel like from 2 to 4 is they're like so high, so high.
Wow.
I usually don't find a lot between 2 and 4, and then you'll see it from 4 to.
Amaze myself every time, man.
They'll all come back out again right before they
Like that. Yeah, I know.
What time is it, y'all? It's time.
It
All right, cool. Let's stay here for another 10 minutes, look around, and we'll make our way back. I think we did good over coming over here. Yeah.
Oh, good one.
Oh yeah.
Good one.
Oh yeah. He's up there. I see his tail.
I lost him.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you just shot him.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Oh my god.
Nailed it,
Drop
dude.
him.
That was great. As he was moving, just ran right, just like went right into that crosshair right there. Man, talk about perfect timing. Dogs are there just for backup.
Back up they are.
Good dogs.
Oh!
Yep.
Try to climb up the tree.
Meme, kill it, Meme. Get it, Meme. Kill it.
She was quicker before I could even think about it.
All right, Meme, out. Meme, out. Meme, get him. There's. They got it? Oh my gosh. There's an iguana.
Grab your hand under there, grab it from her.
There's an iguana trying to see what was going on with his buddies. Yeah, just tell her out. Out. Yep. Meme out, Meme out. Thanks, dang, Meme. Like I said, guys, any of y'all dealing with any kind of iguana issues, could be residents, HOA, golf course, schools.
Yep.
We do it all, right, Savannah?
Anything and everything.
We do it all. We can bring the dogs. We don't have to bring the dogs. But
They
no,
do help though.
as you can see, we're able to get extra recoveries and extra assurance, especially right by the water. We don't
Yeah.
want to get these things and they go in the water and go for a swim. We got to spend extra time. These dogs are there to have our back. That's the whole thing. They're not there to mess around. They know what they're here for. And as you guys can see, I mean, shoot, they just helped us recover about
Those are like
7, 8
we still
iguanas.
have what, 10 at home? We'll probably line them all out and get a good count for everybody, right?
For sure, for sure. Good job, Gammy. Good job, Meme. So guys, in the comments down below, let me know who's your favorite dog in today's episode, all right?
Maze or Gammy?
Let us
White
know.
dog or brown dog?
I got my vote.
Yeah, I got my vote too. I would say Maze is doing good.